The Gilson Rolling Thin Film Oven features advanced design, durable construction, and repeatable accuracy in measuring the effects of heat on asphalt binder specimens in accordance with ASTM and AASHTO test specifications. All Gilson RFTO ovens are completely checked and tested before shipment. Follow general installation instructions before beginning a test. If the unit has no airflow, then verify the supply air connection, located in the rear of the unit, is secured. If the connection is secured and you still have no airflow, you need to check the air regulator. To check the air regulator, you need to remove the side panel. Verify that the RTFO is disconnected from its power source before removing the side panel. Now, we have access to the internal components of the unit. Next, verify that the air regulator is set at 22 to 25 psi, or adjust as necessary. Now, check to see if the unit has airflow. If the unit still does not have airflow, or for any technical question about any Gilson product, please contact your Gilson technical support team.